It is the ratted gang, the chosen one from the Lord. He is the chosen one from the God. He is the ratted gang, the chosen one from the Lord. He is the only president, the president that we gave him. He is the king of the internet, the king of the internet, the king of the Lord, the king of the internet, the king of the internet, the king of the internet, the king of the internet. We gave him president. The Lord Almighty has ordained him to be the king. He remains the king. He remains the king. He remains the king. He remains the king. Nobody can take it off from him. Those ones that said they have God, they have blood gas too. Shame and disgrace to them. Shame and disgrace to them. Our leaders have failed. They have failed in the sight of the Lord. They have failed all the citizens. They have disgraced themselves. They will continue disgracing themselves. Nigeria does not have leaders. The only leader that they have, the only president that is our Barnabas, they have stolen from us. They will continue disgracing themselves. They will continue humiliating themselves. It is a shame and disgrace. Shame, disgrace is going to occur to our leaders. Since that they said they does not want to learn that the youth of Africa, the youth of Nigeria has woke up. We does not want to be in the darkness anymore. We does not want to wallow in the darkness anymore. But they said that they don't want to learn from their forefathers. That is how my father said it. That is how my father has said it. He has said it again. I am Shiv Jororo. He has said it again. I am Shiv Gojororo. He has said it again. Damboro Waka.